afternoon, or good evening, everyone. Oh, it's an absolutely beautiful... Oh, gotta find my words before I start talking. It is an absolutely beautiful day out today. A little bit on the toasty side, though. Ah! The charger fell off. Well, one of my chargers. Anyway, so as you see, I am not starting off at a gas station. I really don't need to get gas yet. I am going to get gas though. First and foremost, I gotta go pay my rent. Well, this is the first that both these lights are green? Damn. Well, that's new. Oh, wait, this light is turning green for me? Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, today is a momentous day. 3 green lights in a row. Don't judge me for my fanny pack. Alright, now we gotta go get gas. Alright, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. So I don't know where I'm going. It's pretty late. I had my adult chores I had to take care of, which are still not done. I'm also running a new setup where, as you can see, I'm not wearing gear. So feel free to flame me in the comments if you want, because I don't have my gear on, which I always preach everyone to wear. Oh really? It is ridiculously hot out. I need to go cool off somewhere. So we're gonna ride up through little mountains that I like to ride up through. Mount Tamalpais. I forgot how to say it. My boy told me how to say it, but I forgot. Just a kind of a quick sprint. I don't know how long I'm going to stay out today because I do have to still adult. I hope you guys can understand that adulting is not an easy task to do. I commend my parents for constantly doing it and us not realizing it until now. Anyway, I'm going to shut the camera down. We're going to get moving because it is very, very windy on the highway, and I don't think you guys really care about me riding around when it's just straight highway riding. So we will cut to maybe me at another gas station. I don't know yet. We'll see. You know, whenever I ride, I always realize it's very expensive for me to ride. Receipt desired? No, I do not require. This one, the old school? Oh, what you guys know about the old school? Okay, well, it doesn't work, so you guys don't need to know anything. Oh, you're welcome. Not away. Move. Don't you do it. Well, I mean, this ride is, you've guys seen this ride already. If you haven't, well, this is one of my favorite spots to go. Ah! My bad. I'll admit when I was wrong. I came around that corner way too hot. Oh, the dude almost fell. Oh, that kid's nasty. Damn, alright. Oh, he just hit the button and ran away. Like I was saying, a lot of you guys have already seen this road before. But if you haven't, this is probably one of my favorite spots to come up to. Well, I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of glad I took the bike out today. I think I'm going the wrong way again. Why am I always lost at this spot? I have no idea why. You'd think that I would know where I was going since I come up here so often. I gotta remember where I'm supposed to be making my lefts and rights at. What else is new in my videos? I'm always lost, right? I mean, I have to get lost almost now. I don't think it's this way either. Where the fuck am I going? Alright. Hold on.
12 seconds later.
I did miss where I was supposed to be going. So now I'm actually supposed to be going back that way. It's just a big old mess right now. Ah. Hit it, bro. Hit it. Hit it. Damn it. Oh, wait. I forgot about this road. Yeah, I'm definitely not going to be able to pass people today. This sucks. No one cares about them. Run them over, you're in a Jeep. Move out of the way. Oh man, it's so nice. My bad. I didn't see a car. That's what makes these turns deadly. This bike it's so twitchy. It's actually dangerous to me. Well, this guy, like, my man's just hitting the brakes every chance he can get. Oh my goodness. How do I get down there? Oh, probably this trail. We're going up to a little hiking trail. You guys have probably seen it before. See, it's like that makes these types of roads like unforgiving, man. Ooh-wee. Oh, we're gonna have to pull off over here. That, man. Oh man, guys, I wish I could backpack every single one of you. And what I mean by backpack is all of you guys on the back seat, so you can take in these first person views that you're seeing. Ah, big van. Park in the shade. We're gonna go on a little hiking adventure again. You guys should recognize this spot. I hiked it once before, and here we are. We're doing it again, boys and girls. Doing it again. Got the same jeans on, the same shoes on. I don't wash these jeans ever. I'm just kidding. Well, since you guys have seen this part already, we'll just go ahead and skip to when I'm all the way up there. Wow. What's crazy is I'm way over there. You can barely see the windmills. This is dope though. Ooh. Nobody saw that. Good. I'm probably not in the best of gear right now. Everybody else is dressed appropriately. Go all the way to the top. Ooh. Sit my ass right here. Oh. Alright, well, I'm gonna shut you guys down real quick because I don't feel like yelling over the wind. I'm gonna try to cool off for a little bit. I will pick this video up when I'm all the way back down there. So, for some odd reason, my battery's only at like 30%. Not entirely sure how that happened. So we'll make that stop once we get down to the bottom, back on Highway 1, I believe. And from Highway 1, we're gonna take that up and you know, go through San Francisco. You know, I gotta hit you with traffic and San Francisco on the way back. Hey ref, your R33's on its way back to Japan. It's going the wrong way. I'm so thirsty. I'd never be able to survive an apocalypse. I'd die of thirst. I'm always drinking. Well, water and like Gatorade and stuff. Need all of y'all to say it with me. Water. 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 Not water. Don't come to me with that water shit. I don't want any of it. Give me that good old water. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 oh, life is but a dream. Oh man. If you guys are ever up in NorCal or live up in NorCal, definitely go to Mount Tamalpais. Oh, there's a puppy! Someone get the puppy out of the way! Hopefully my charger's charging. Oh my goodness, dude. Oh, one of those guys. One of the ones that drive really slow and then slam on their brakes because they're mad that they're going really slow. I hope you hate your life right now. It's just like I pass one and there's just like another one that's stuck right in there. God. 7-Eleven right here. I'm gonna stop. I gotta shut you guys down. Hopefully, see if my battery's been charging it. Oh my god, it got so cold. What the hell, man? It feels like winter right now. I am absolutely shivering. I don't think I finished talking about what's to come on the future for this channel. Wait, rephrase that. I haven't really finished explaining everything that's going to be happening with this channel in the future. Much better. So like I said, I think towards the beginning. Get out of here, bitch. This bike is going to have maintenance done. It's long overdue. It's just one of those things where you have to do it. Just start smacking these birds out the way. Nope, me first. Bro, close the through traffic. What the f***? You know what? Watch this. Rebel without a cause. Oh, fuck me, man. Oh, well that backfired. I'm an idiot. Wait till all these cars clear out. Close to them, not close to me. Hey, she got some tiny feet. We are on world's smelliest corner. Oh. 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 Eh. Huh. Despite that, I don't know how long this battery's gonna last. For some odd reason, the charger's not charging fast enough. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Wasn't really too much, but if you guys did still happen to like this, I want you guys to go ahead and hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so you guys are aware when I upload a new video. I need all of you guys to stay hungry, stay humble, stay motivated, all of your life goals. Always remember, success never comes easy. You guys gotta work your ass off for it. Your boy Machine here, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Later. Ah, damn it. I tried to get in. Tried to get into that picture.
I swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion.